limited, and to find together, not continue to fan the flames of division and bigotry. Later today, I'll meet with Vice President Mike Pence, and it is my hope that we can discuss areas that we can work together, find common constructively, and as we've always said, we on this time feel the responsibility to find common ground, but to stand our ground when we can't. Just left the visit our caucus, where we're bringing up the people between our 27 new Democratic members. As our founders intended, these new members coming at the top.
While can actually read at normal or advanced levels, every child has it.
Well, the Los Angeles Department of Water and Power.
Rumble Hot Punch. What are you doing?
Stop that, Miguel.
Stop!
That's annoying.
I'm gonna take your fucking ass to school. Stop it.
Okay.
It's making my head hurt. No, I'm not feeling that great myself, so chill the heck out, please. You're supposed to be freaking sick, Miguel. Sick people don't run around and do that and cause trouble and mess with people, Miguel. Chill out. Fine. About being shit.
And Metallica thing.
Okay, so you know how like every once in a while he'll pull out
like
the kazoos and the recorder
Yes.
and cool instruments, and they did Metallica came on and they did Enter Sandman.
Ones that have ice in it.
This is awesome.
I don't like those. Last time I had one of those, they
Go
were
big short shit.
shit.
I like Starlight. I like the Starlight.
We're gonna post on the Morning Mashup Facebook page. That is hysterical. Listen, hey, if you're a musician, whatever you're given, I mean, you got to be able to work with it.
Use your tools.
Right, I love that. Love you, Jimmy. I want to wish you happy birthday. Today's your birthday. Guess who your birthday was this morning?
of the lovely Rachel McAdams. Yes, from
Poor guy, ugly cry every time. Yeah.
Happy birthday to Danny DeVito from LA Confidential.
I'm not even
Shorty and
into
Always
romance.
Sunny
Neither
in
am I.
Philadelphia.
I'm not into
Over
chick
Davey
flicks.
Randy
Only every
has a
once in a
birthday
while.
today. He was in
It's gotta be really, really good.
John Diggle in the
Other than
series
that, I
Arrow
really don't
that's
like
on CW
romance.
Kids.
Oh my god,
But-
when I slept over at Olivia's house, we watched this romance movie and we were like cringing at it.
Shouts out to Reed Perry from
And like,
Perry.
The Notebook has a story to it though. It's not just about